What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with the BMW. Today we just got a little Facebook Marketplace goodie. Literally got it. It's my phone's recording right now. It's probably about 12 o'clock right now. We're leaving the shop. I was looking for a nice trunk and seen one pop up. Let me try to get this on for you boys. You already know. You already know. We had to carbon fiber the CSL trunk on the stand. There we are. You guys can see, looks wicked. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be installing this today. I've never installed one of these before, so you guys are on for a ride. And we're gonna be installing it together for the first time. So let's get to it. First things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove the lights and all of the accessories from this trunk because we're gonna have to transfer them onto the new one. So I got this pry bar, you guys can come see over here. We're gonna have to just bust all of these push pins out to take off this rear fabric piece, and we'll be able to get everything in there. You guys can see in the trunk, it is a complete mess. We do have lots of Rock Auto parts in here. We are fighting a misfire with this BMW, but we decided a carbon fiber trunk is a lot nicer looking than fixing the misfire at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop it in. We'll be back. We are back with a little more aggressive pry tool. I feel like this one will do the job. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop these guys out just like that. This guy came out nice and easy. He's already pumped up. Boom. Boom, broke. Some of them are stubborn. Gotta work with them. It's an old car. Get two of them in there. So now if we got our big boy tools now, no games. He doesn't want to come out, eh? If it's gonna be this hard, I would have just fixed the misfires instead. Oh my god. That guy came out nice. Boom, like a charm. I don't know why they all have to be. Really, guys, we just need to get the lights out. That is the only main issue. The tab, yeah, the tab like that. And they're just gonna be a 10mm. Underneath, you might even be able to just get them with this, these needle nose. Yeah. Pull that tab out, and the headlight should just, or tail light, my bad, should pop up like that. So it's gonna be the exact same on the other side. Just like that, guys. So now what we're gonna have to do, this is gonna be a little more difficult. We're gonna have to take this piece off because we're gonna be transferring that onto the new trunk. So this looks like it's just gonna be some Torx in there. One of the two. This one might be a little small. I think it might be T20, T25. Whatever this one is doing the trick. This is gonna be 4 bolts along the bottom in this bottom rail. So we're gonna have to pop these guys out. Or replaced. Looks like this is just factory 3M tape on. Go ahead. Try this up. So I guess it's just connected right in here. Separates like that, guys. Easy as that. So now we have the trunk. We gotta take the emblem off. And this trusty BMW emblem. It looks like 12mm. I'll confirm. It's just gonna be 2 bolts on both sides. You guys can see these guys right here. You're just gonna have to crack those, and it should just transfer over. So this actually is a little more difficult than I thought to get to. We're gonna be using a wrench just because I couldn't get a socket in here. It's pretty tight. Got my mechanics gloves on, high impact. Yeah, it's not even bad. So you just crack it, give it a couple cracks, crack both sides just so it's even. Oh, that's tightening. I'm highly dyslexic, so simple mistake. Get that guy cracked. Get this guy cracked. You transfer your existing wiring harness, so you have to go through to the lock, all of those mechanisms, and just get that wiring harness out, and we're gonna have to run it out the side of the trunk right here because we're gonna have to transfer all this into the new carbon fiber trunk. Alright guys, so once you have it kind of all fished out, you can just feed it through here, like so, and it's ready for the new trunk. So now, we just have this one last bolt on, and we'll loosen up. Alright guys, just like that, the trunk is off. And we are off. Oh my god, this thing is pretty heavy. I can't lie to you guys. This is pretty heavy. Compared to the carbon fiber one, like both my hands hold this up. Oh my god. Put that guy down. That's some weight to him. Put him down like this right now. Sweet. And then our carbon fiber is what we got here. Look at this. Boom. Above the head. It's not even a workout. Alright guys, so now this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna line up the new trunk. I'm gonna get it on the car first, and then we're gonna swap everything over. So the trunk is on the car. We're just gonna go ahead and feed these wires up and through. This may be a little more difficult.
I don't know if gravity's gonna be on your side there.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we ended up getting the wire fed through. We got it bolted up to where the factory points are. You guys can see all the way through. Everything goes to where it wants to. For today, we're just gonna end up leaving the car like this. We didn't swap the lock over. It's almost like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, so we're trying to get home. So we got pretty much everything bolted on. Moment of truth. Doesn't want to lock up, but okay. Back to the drawing board, guys. I think honestly, what we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to lower the trunk down a little bit because I don't think it's one to actually click in. It should want to just kind of lower it into place. And there we go, guys. You guys can see, lines up perfectly. Big difference from what it is before. It's got that nice ducktail look now. Really sharp. The car is pretty dirty. Me personally, I don't know about you guys, especially with the black, I'm not really a fan of this carbon fiber look. Yes, it's nice, but we are gonna be wrapping this. At least that happened now instead of on the road. Alright guys, just like that, the trunk is installed. We do have to finish up a couple other stuff on it. Like I said, it's very late. We just want to do a quick little install video, get something out for you guys. Hope you're enjoying the videos. You know, we're trying to mix them up a little bit, do a couple other things. I appreciate everyone who is watching. I see some of you guys commenting on them. We do notice that. We appreciate everyone who watches the videos, comments, whatever. All the support is appreciated. Thank you all for watching though. make sure to check out us on Instagram. We post a lot of stuff daily on Instagram as well. Stay up to date with the shop. But thanks for watching. Hope all you guys having a wonderful day. Peace out.